Have you ever wondered who you are, where you came from, and why you're here on this earth? You are not here by accident. You are here to make a difference. You have a purpose. You have a voice. You matter. This is the power of one. One person, one voice, one action. Each one of us has the power to create change. At Yes Came 2025, we believe that who I am makes a difference. Through our theme and our shared journey, we discover that the way we live matters, that our world, our footprint, and our voice are all connected. And when we live with grace, we unlock our inner superpower. With gratitude, we recognize the gifts in every moment and say thank you with our hearts. With respect, we see the values in others and in ourselves and treat all life with dignity. With accountability, we take ownership of our choices and learn from our mistakes. With courage, we choose to rise, especially when it's hard, uncomfortable, or uncertain. And with engagement, we show up with our full heart, ready to connect, to serve, and to grow. We are one. One heartbeat, one planet, one powerful voice. And together, we create a world where who we are truly makes a difference. I am a miracle. I am unique. I am awesome. I am strong. I am love.